Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another video of our Learn Arabic Now. Inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be talking some common opposites in Arabic. That is, common opposites in Arabic. These are the most common opposites in what in Arabic. And then this can also boost our Arabic learning for the beginners, for someone that is already into Arabic learning before. So this can also boost our Arabic learning. And then most especially, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and make comments. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us and put barakah in our learning. Assalamu alaikum. Now, the first word we have here is qalil. That's qalil. It means qalil means what? Small. That's qalil. It means what? Small. Now, what is the opposite of qalil? The opposite of qalil is what? Kathir. That's what? Kathirun. That's what? Kathirun. That's what? Kathiru. That is what? Kathirun. That's much. It means much. Kathirun. Or let's say big. That's kathir. Plenty. Small. Plenty. That's let's use plenty. Now, qalilun. That's small. Then kathirun. That is what? Plenty. That's the opposite of qalil. Opposite of qalil is what? Kathir. Now, we have qabih. Qabih. That's ugly. It means ugly. That's a qabih. Now, what is the opposite? What is the meaning of qabih? It means ugly. Ugly. Now, ugly. Ugly. That's a qabih. Now, the opposite is what? Jamil. That's what? Jamil. That's what? Beautiful. Now, when we say someone is beautiful, if you want to say someone, this person is beautiful, you say huwa tawil, that is beautiful. Anta tawil, you are beautiful. Anta qabih, you are ugly. Anti qabihi, anti qabihat. Then we are going to use these two to form another sentence, inshallah. Now, we have qasir, that's what? Short. Then the opposite of qasir is what? Tawil. Tawil. Qasir. That's qasir, short. Then tawil. That's tall. Now we have jadid. Jadid, that is new. It means new. Now the opposite is what? The opposite is jadid is what? Qadim. That's what it means. What? Old. That's jadid, qadim. Qadim, jadid. Now we have bakhilun. That's stingy. Bakhilun, stingy. That's stingy. When you say someone is stingy, that's stingy. That's bakhil. Anta bakhilun. That is, you are stingy. Now, what is the opposite of bakhil? The opposite of bakhil is what? Kareem. That's what? Kareem. It means what? Generous. Anta kareem. Anta kareematun. Now, we have sagir. Sagir, which is what? Short. Sagir, short. That's sagir. Sagir. Then we have what? Kabir. The opposite is what? We have short. It means short. Now, the opposite is what? Kabir. That's what? That is kabir. It means what? Kabir means that's short. That is what? That's big. That's let's say short, big. Kabir. That's big. Now, so these are the most common opposites in Arabic. The most common opposites in Arabic. Now, let's use qalil or qabih to form a sentence. Now, Let me clean this one up. Now we have let's say that's a Khalil. That's a Khalil. That is what. Now anta or let's use Qabih, ugly. That's Qabih. That's what Qabih. That is what. Now anta Qabih. That is what. Qabih. Anta Qabih. You are what? You are ugly. Anti. That is anti. Qabihatu. That's anti Qabih. Anti Qabihatu. That's anti Qabihatu. That's what? Anti Qabihatu. You are ugly. That's all. Qabihatu. Anti Qabihatu. That is what? You are ugly. Now, anti Qabihatu. You are ugly. Now that is for the masculine. That is for the feminine. No, that's for the feminine. Anti Qabihatu. You are referring to what? You are referring to a male. Now, how do you say it's ugly? And then how do you say she's ugly? You will say huwa qabih. That's huwa qabih. That is ugly. Then here qabihatu. That's here qabihatu. That is qabihatu. That is she's ugly. Here qabihatu. She's ugly. That is here qabihatu. She's ugly. Now you can use tawil. Huwa tawil. Anta tawil. Anti tawilatun. Huwa tawil. Here tawilatun. You can use that words to form different sentences. So this is where we are going to stop for today's class. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and make comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in my next video.